Like literally the nicest landing, and it totally blows apart.
Holy.
All right, bro. Get some video. She's going.
It's already going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we're here at AA Trailers. Nathan's just gonna go over the features of our new trailer. Look at this frickin' beauty. A couple of the features we got going on this trailer.
Right on. Well, let's start with the main frame. It's a 10-inch I-beam main frame. A little heavier than most average manufacturers, only because it is a full tilt deck. There are a lot of torque and whatnot put on the trailer when you're loading, so it's not going to twist up and whatnot when you're doing that constantly. So it's heavy duty. Your front toolbox will house your power pack, but you've got a solar panel charger to maintain the battery so it doesn't freeze. Little full toolbox. The real cool thing about this trailer is it's got this Boss Perky's quick charge, and what that'll do is it'll take the trickle charge of your truck off the trailer. It'll invert and amplify the power, store the power in this box, so every time you use your hydraulics or your winch, once it's done, it'll then rapid charge your batteries, so your batteries always
back to 100%.
stay charged.
Oh wow.
Always stay charged.
Wow.
You'll never run out of battery life, and your battery will never freeze. Everything's wirelessly remote controlled, so your hydraulics and your winch. Let's get that off. Activate your hydraulics by pressing both buttons for about 5 seconds.
Oh yeah. Wow, isn't that going to be nice? Everything was manual on the old trailer, so.
You've got dual hydraulic cylinders. Both have the pushing power about 14,000 pounds, so you've got tons of capacity there that will help you with stability. Then you've got a 6-inch extra heavy pipe that's called the torque tube. That's for extra structural strength as well.
Yeah, she is definitely heavy built. These beams are something else.
7,000 pound Dexter Torflex axles. Probably the best in the market.
No springs to break on a long trip down to Texas.
Not at all. G-rated 14-ply tires. All tires equal well over 17,000 pounds in GVW rating. And your rims, which are aluminum, those are all rated for over 4,000 pounds each as well. You've got a safety bracket there. When you're working on your trailer, you can lift that bracket and drop it, so you're not going to worry about anything crashing down on you. The trailer comes stock with Linex Rock Guard. It's an industrial coating. It's really heavy duty. You'll never have any rock chips or whatnot there.
Yeah, this always takes the abuse here. This front part catches all your crap coming off your tires of your truck.
Hydraulics are a little cold right now.
Yeah, for sure. It's about I think it was about 20 below last night. It's maybe around 15 or 16 right now, so she's a little chilly. Nice place to mount the spare tire out of the way.
Got her. And your 10,000 pound Warren winch in a lockable lid, preformed winch plate, rated for over 20,000 pounds. However, you've got a 10,000 pound wireless and a 100% waterproof winch.
Wow, beauty. So yeah, we broke the transmission output shaft on the Sherp, and I lined up 2 quads and ran snatch blocks and trying to winch it up onto the trailer. And somewhere that's in the archive somewhere, I haven't posted it yet, but what a nightmare getting it on the trailer. She sure would have been easy with that, that's for sure.
That's your Chariot.
She is, I seen pictures of it, and it's like most things, pictures don't really do it justice. She is a beauty of a trailer. It is gonna be like heaven driving it up there, not having to drive over fenders. Awesome. Right on. Well, thank you very much. We're open for years and years of trouble-free miles. We definitely put the miles on our stuff, so right on. Okay. Okay, boys, we got the Sherp on right at the front. We got to throw the X3 on the back. So we're gonna try to give the old lift. I think it's about 19 below, so. Oh, no problem. Nice. Easy peasy. Alright. Just gotta check my angles. Looks good. I think we're gonna do it lengthways. More of a challenge than broadside. So I'll get the Sherpa position, we'll tilt up the trailer, take a couple test rounds. Okay, get the ramp set.
Oh yeah.
I'll shovel some snow maybe. Whatever you do, don't hit the tire.
Yeah. Yeah, looks good. Building up the ramp here so it doesn't catch on the trailer here.
Gotta make this sweet transition.
Yeah.
About as much thought as going into this as did the Sea-Doo jump, so.
Yeah.
And that thing worked mint, so.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
Perfect. You got your sick custom GoPro mount on the top here.
Had to. Did you see this? That's where my old ESC started on fire.
Started on fire.
So anyways, we had to zip tie our little surfboard mount on, because when we were in the mountains with it, oh, it's a little crooked. When we were in the mountains, it blew off. So we got our zip tied on. So we'll get some good onboard video. That might be the best video.
Yeah.
Especially if it just eats it.
Yeah.
All right, boys. You ready? Oh, it's gonna be so hard.
To control it?
I want to see to land it.
Oh, yeah, you got it pretty narrow. Wow, that's perfect. Okay.
Don't hit the tire. Hits the tire.
Yeah.
I think the GoPro went flying off.
Oh, I did? Oh, yeah, I see it in the snow there. There's the GoPro.
They're tough.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
My mount is still on.
Oh, good.
Good to go. Good to go.
We're good to go.
God, it's so hard to keep straight.
Oh, I bet.
Okay, one more time.
It didn't smack that one, did it?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
Just beside it.
Yeah, we got a GoPro at the top of the ramp there. All right, take 3. Woo! Oh, the GoPro went flying again.
Nice. That was epic. That was perfect.
Yeah, that was good.
We're not going to set any length records with the slush, but
They're waterproof, hey?
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it went flying. It went flying off again.
See it there, yeah.
Yeah. Right there. Woo! Holy, does that throw snow?
Yeah, if we came right in the morning when all this was ice,
Yeah,
you'd be able to get a lot more.
way more control. Yeah, and speed.
Give it a haircut.
Jeez. Smash into the dock.
I'm just running my little 3S batteries, so it's a lot lighter. I got it switched over to 8S, but those batteries are massive, so I didn't think it'd be prime for jumping. The 6S should push through. She doesn't turn too good with the paddles.
No? Take yourself out.
You try one more time?
Yeah. Oh, bro! It's like... It's like the back wheel... Oh, bro! Uh-oh. Yeah.
Yeah, the nice nicest landing.
Yeah, totally, hey? Oh, yikes.
Parts are cheap.
Yeah, it's just the whole back, like the suspension. I don't know. It's all falling apart. Oh, jeez.
Oh, well. Oh, broke the shock. and the upper mount.
Holy shit.
Like literally the nicest landing
I
and
know,
it totally
eh?
blows apart.
Holy.
Now I get to call my buddy Aaron at Ultra RC in Saskatoon. Order a few parts.
Yeah.
A shock and an upper A-arm looks like.
Jeez.
Like literally that'd be about 4 minutes of fixing if we had the parts.
Oh yeah.
All right, good job boys.
Yeah, no kidding. Off the nicest landing too.
Yeah, like it looked like it was just, that was nothing it looked like.
Yeah, totally. That was funny. It's coming back. I'm like, why is it so low now? It's just dragging.
Yeah, I was like, why is it not going fast?
Yeah. If anything flew off, you gotta get it or no? Oh yeah, look at the springs over there.
Oh, yeah, grab that. Because it probably comes all separate.
Yeah.
Holy cow, look at the size of that spring.
Yeah.
For an RC spring, man, that is insane.
No kidding. Is there, I wonder if there's any other pieces
No, I
here.
think that should be it. And if there is, it'd be just like this, like little bits of plastic that a guy can't use that just broke off.
Oh, yeah.
But as far as large parts, there should be nothing else. Here's another little bit.
Holy.
That's the top of the A-arm, the little mount for the A-arm.
Oh, jeez. Well, at least we got a couple runs out of it.
Yeah.
Well,
at least we that one was pretty much perfect. It wasn't like insane as far as that's
Yeah.
the piece too.
oh, jeez.
As far as length, but we cleared it.
Yeah, for sure.
What did we learn today? That our Canadian-made AA trailer is a lot stronger than our X-Max. X-Max is going home in pieces. AA trailer. This looks ultra sad.
Yeah,
Oh.
totally.
AA trailer is going home intact. So yeah, that full tilt, ever since I was kind of looking around online and I decided on a full tilt trailer, I'm like, that would make a wicked ramp. So in the summer, when a guy can actually get grip, I guarantee you we could jump the Sherp and the dually. So we might set up two, maybe on the highway somewhere, I don't know. We'll figure it out. The best way to get all the salt off your truck.